of the most technologies emerging today. It has the potential to completely transform how banks, insurance companies, and financial institutions process data, manage risk, prevent fraud, and make investment decisions.
Okay, so quantum computing. So quantum computing is different from classic computing. So what is the difference is that the quantum computing can do the same thing as classic computing do, but classic are known as bytes and the quantum computing are known as qubits. So qubits and bytes have some difference. Where classic thing that can have the bytes up to 0 or 1. Where quantum computing can do 0 and 1 at the same time. Okay, it is known as the superposition. So here, why do we use this quantum computing into finance? Why are we using? It's nothing but the finance that is involved is extremely complex mathematical calculations. We use massive data sets and we have real-time problem making. Sometimes this quantum computing, what it is doing, it is also helping the computers are designed for. The quantum computing becomes a perfect match for the financial applications because we are extremely using complex mathematical calculations, we are using massive data sets and we are also ready in making the real-time decision making. Okay, so what is the need of quantum computing? So why is the quantum computing a need? In today's financial institutions, there are heavy algorithms and computer models. For that purpose, so traditional computers reach their limits. For example, any risk modeling, any portfolio optimization and market penetration that could be done within hours or even days, quantum computing can perform these calculations much faster than compared to the traditional computing. Okay, so here it reaches within a hour into a second. So here the speed helps the banks and financial institutions to make more accurate decision and reduce the uncertainties and operate more efficiently. So for that purpose only we are using quantum computing. So it can make the work faster. It can also give accurate data. There will not be any uncertainties. So can anybody say what is the main need of it?
So the main need is faster processing, better accuracy, handling huge complex financial problems real time.
Okay, next, can anybody quote what would be the risk analysis and portfolio optimization in quantum computing?
One of the most important uses of quantum computing is risk analysis. Banks run thousands of simulations to predict how markets may behave under different conditions. Using quantum computing, they can run these simulations instantly, helping them understand risk more accurately. Next is portfolio optimization. Investors try to choose the best mix of assets to maximize returns and reduce risk. Quantum computers can examine millions of combinations at the same time and find the optimal investment portfolio quickly. This is extremely useful for hedge funds, wealth managers and even retail investors.
So this is the risk analysis that could be done by quantum computing. So quantum computing will also help the computing in improving the fraud detection. Can anybody tell how they are using the mechanism to detect fraud?
Quantum computing also improves fraud detection. Financial institutions handle millions of transactions daily. Quantum machine learning can be detect hidden patterns in these transactions and quickly identify suspicious activities. This reduces fraud and increase trust. But quantum computers also pose a security threat. They are powerful enough to break traditional encryption like RSA. Because of this, banks are now adopting quantum-safe cybersecurity such as quantum.
Next, can anybody tell what is the trading and market prediction?
In financial markets, trading decisions need to be made in fractions of seconds. Quantum computing helps by processing vast amounts of market data almost instantly. Traders can be better understand market trends, price fluctuations, and volatility. Quantum machines learning also improves market forecasting. This includes predicting stock prices, leverage pricing, sentiment analysis, and demand forecasting. With these, traders and artists can make more accurate decisions and gain a competitive edge.
Next,